Hi guys, welcome to this quick video, an overview on one of Google's apps. It's called Data Studio, and what it is allows you to create visually stunning reports using data from your Google Analytics, Google AdWords, MySQL data, Google Sheets, or even YouTube Analytics data. And with that you can create custom reports with your own company logo and text, and then able to share that amongst your bosses, colleagues, and anyone else. um, I feel like it's a great tool for digital marketers and website managers, just to beautifully represent the data and to see what's happening. Now, to get to the site is datastudio.google.com. I will have the link under this video in the description section. Once you get there, this is what you see. Here are sample reports created by Google. Now, to create these reports, you need a data source. You need the data to come in from somewhere, and I'll show you how to do that. So you click on the data source here on the left side here. Now these obviously these ones here are sample data provided by Google. These ones here are my own. This is from my Redbubble page and my personal photography page. Please note to use this you need log in with your username and password, Google username and password. You also need to have analytics running somewhere on any of your websites or web pages. Now to add your own, I'll show you how to do that. You go to this cross here in the blue circle. You click on that, and that'll bring up the connectors, the different connectors you can use to get the data from. I'm going to show you the YouTube Analytics one. This is from my own account, as you can see, my own channel. So you choose that, and you click on Connect here, the top right corner here. And now what this is going to do is it's going to connect bring the data across from the YouTube Analytics into this app. Now I can choose to change the name of the data source. I can just call it Evans YouTube Analytics, and then I can choose to create the report. So I'm going to click on that, and what this is a pop up in a new tab with a fully editable report maker. And this allows you to do whatever you want, to customize it any way you want with colors, background colors, text and images, and the data source. Now, all this is doing is saying I'm just saying to add this data source to this report. So I'm just going to click on Add to Report. Now here's the editor. Here's the report name. I can change that report name to Evans YouTube channel. Oops. And then by using these fields and icons, I can create the report. So if I want to give this a title, I click on the text and I'll call it Evans YouTube channel. And here are the properties for this text. So if I highlight all the text, I can make the size of the text bigger, 36, and then I can choose to change the font. These fonts are obviously what's on your system. Now to get the data in there, I can use, let's start with the geomap. I can place the geomap wherever I want, and what that'll do is it'll bring the data across. This just shows you the number of views from each country. Then I can bring in a pie chart. Now this currently shows the number of views on each video. I can change this information. So all I'll do is click on there and then go to the right here under Data tab. See the matrix field there? You click on Select Matrix, and then you can select from these options. These are the options come across your fields that are come across from the YouTube Analytics. So I can choose to make this the watch time. So this is the number of time people have watched each video, how long they watched each video for. I can add another field, maybe a area chart, for example, and that'll show the number of views on each video. Now obviously all this is you can change this the way you want to look, make it look nice, design it the way you want to make it look. You can add your own company logo here. Now this is currently in edit view. I can go to live view. There we go. That's currently in live view, and you can see I can put my mouse over and the data comes up. I can then choose to save it. So I got a file, share, and this I can share this amongst colleagues, bosses, friends. And now what's happened is automatically saved it. So let's go back to the start, to the front page, under reports, and here it is there. That's it there. Now let's say I come back this to tomorrow to see the information on the same report. I click on it and it'll straight away bring me to the live view, and there's the information. Now I want to get the latest up-to-date information. All I have to do is go here to refresh data, click on that, and you'll get the latest data from my YouTube channel. Another thing you can do is use built-in templates. These are reports. There's one for YouTube already. I'll show you how to use it. So I choose the YouTube template. Now this is the sample data from Google. I want to use my own data, so I just click on use template, and then under new data source I just select Evan's YouTube channel, YouTube Analytics, and then create report. Now what it's going to do is going to bring all my information and populate these fields here. And it's just going to take a bit of time to populate each one of those fields. It's probably not as impressive as the sample data. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, like I said, it's not as impressive as the sample data. But again, you can customize all this the way you want to look. You can move things around. Again, you can change this. YouTube. Oh, sorry. YouTube. Channel. And again, you can change the name of the actual report to Evan's YouTube channel. And then this is currently in edit mode. You just go to live, and that's all the data that's coming across. So you see how beautifully it's been set up for you. Again, you can go to file, share it. You can share it amongst your bosses, colleagues. And now let's go back to the start one more time, and there it is there on the front page. So again, when you come back tomorrow, you click on there, go into the report, and to get the latest data, you just choose the refresh data button. Well, that's it. I hope you got something out of it. Please don't forget to share your thoughts on this. Tell us what you think. Thanks for watching.